Hello, this is Sharif, or Just Nailed It. I have a little video for you here today. Well, Murron had reached out to me. That's Murron. They had reached out to me to see if I would like to review their products, and of course I jumped on it. I mean, I would be a fool not to. They are very highly sought after in the nail community. They have this, let me show you on my phone. It's a peel-off base system, I think they called it. Whoops. Oh, where were we? Oh, shoot, here we go. Enjoy long-lasting manicures, glossy gel manicures without removal hassles. Free shipping, easy returns, 14-day policy, all U.S. orders, I think it said. No need to buff nails or apply base coat. The gel is cured under an LED lamp for 30 seconds. You can have glossy nails in just 10 minutes. Easy peel-off removal. No need to soak fingers in acetone. Simply peel off to remove with your hand or manicure stick. No more damage to dry nails or skin. Oh, here we go. Look at this. 10 free vegan and cruelty-free. That's what I'm talking about. That is awesome. That is great to know. They got a little video here for you on how to use it. Two-step color. There is the color and the bait or top coat, I guess. You got some reviews. They are at Instagram, MyMurron, which is also the website, mymurron.com. Here, this is the website, by the way. Oh, God. I'm sorry. I guess you couldn't see anything I was showing you. I was reading all this to you. So, yeah. This is the package they sent to me to try out, to review for them. I cut it open. We are going to... I've got things falling over here. We've got 3 bottles. Ooh, love this. Love, love, love. Love that. So there's one bottle. They all pretty well look the same. There's a little window, so we're gonna check this out together. 10 free vegan and cruelty free. That is so awesome to see. Yep, this is their top coat. Let me see. Top coat. Okay. Whoops. I just read that box. Love this color. This is what it is. Oh yeah. Loving it. I don't see a number on here or a name. I hope it wasn't on the box that I destroyed. I don't see nothing with a name indicator. I'm horrible on these boxes. I'm sorry, Murron. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Beautiful. These colors, let me see these two together. because I think I'm going to do one as an accent nail. I don't know which to do with which though. Let me see. I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna get set up to do this manicure, which means I'm going to need my cuticle pusher, clean dry nails, my lamp most of all. So I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I'm all set up and ready to go. I have got clean dry nails. Took my hardener off. They are bare. No, nothing. So I'm going to take my cuticle pusher and I am going to inspect my cuticles. Get your nails prepped and ready to go. Ready for your mani. If you are doing this with me, if you happen to have these products, pause the camera, get your stuff out, and ready to go. Let's go. Sorry for being a little bit quiet. I've noticed me and someone were just speaking on this, I don't know if it was earlier today, yesterday. A few of us do it when we're concentrating, we get real quiet. I noticed I do that a lot. So we got that. Brush off our nails. These are our two colors, which I just love. You couldn't have picked these two colors better for my skin tone. And for this time of the year, it is fall in Michigan. It's already snowed. God, I don't know what color to do which. So I guess I'm going to go with this color here. This is my nail color. And this is my accent nail. I'm sorry if I'm out of frame. Good Lord. Let me do my accent nail first. Paint my nails on camera with you. You don't need a base coat, it said, which is nice. As you know, with gel polish, you do not want this on your skin. Cap your nail. Get it off your skin. Okay, pop this in right quick. It says in the book 30 seconds. So we're gonna do it 30 seconds. And that'll be our accent nail color. Do really love these. We'll see how the top coat works as well. I love me a glossy top coat. So we'll see. We'll see how it all plays out in the end, huh? So far I give them props. Love the two colors they sent me. Let me see, put two coats on. Remember, you don't want thick coats. Cap the end of your nail. Get the nail off your skin. Cure for another 30. And I have the bell. Let me see what is it on here. Bell makes Bell better at home. I love this groovy little lamp. It's got the flowers on and everything, and it reminds me of what the 70s would have looked like, the groovy flowers and the colors and everything, and I just love it. Okay, there are 2 coats of this color here. There we go. I just love that. Love it, love it, love it. So what do you think? I love the color myself. So now we're going to go in with our nail color. These are, let me see how big these bottles are. 10 milliliters right here. Right there, 10 milliliters. Good sized bottles. Didn't see the price on the website, so I didn't know how much they cost as far as ratio for, you know. Whoops. As far as price for the size of the bottle. So one thing I love about gel polish, it's self-leveling. Let me see. I feel like I got too much on the nail. Whatever. We'll see as we go. I will be putting 2 coats on. Oh, gotta cap the nails. I forgot already. I don't know if I'm in frame doing this. I forgot to look and see. I'm very sorry. Very sorry. How are we on time? Okay, we gotta speed it up here. Move it along, lady. Move it along. Cap your nail. Cap the end of your nail. Put it across there, and we are going to cure this. And I will be right back. Alright, we are back. I have put 2 coats on of my Murron. The 2 gorgeous colors they sent me. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Love them so far. I did cure them. I cured them a little bit longer than what they said. The thing says 30 seconds. I cured them for 60 finally on the last coat because it felt like it needed just a bit worth more time. So now we are going to top coat together, and then I will cure that. Oh, this is a nice thick coat too. Yes. And don't forget to cap the end of your nails. So far, I'm loving this. Love, love, love. And we'll cure this. Oh, wait. I think I might put some gems on. My stubby little thumbnail. Let's see what I got. I did just happen to have these out. I would like to get them without them sliding around. Should have done these one at a time. You got the camera. Switch this over just a hair. I'm going to pause and I'll be right back with these cured for 45 seconds maybe. Alright, we are back. Sorry for the hobble and the bobble. We have cured, top coated our mani. We've got 2 little gems. Love how they sparkle in the light. I love this polish so far. I'm lacking in the fall color department, so this was great. Love, love, love the colors on my skin tone. Love how it looks. I really do. Give this 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. For sure, for sure, for sure. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my mani and my Murron. If you have their products and you've experienced any, I don't know, if you have their products, let me know. Kind of curious about your experience. I've had a great experience here today so far. I will wear these for a few days and attempt to do the peel off. And then I'll film that and let you know how that goes. Or you can see how that goes. So today is Friday. I won't post this for a couple days, so the 2 films will be in one. It'll be a 2-parter. You'll see this and the peel off at one time. But I love this. If you're not already subscribed, please do so and ring that bell. Check out my Murron on Instagram. Check out me as well as all my photos. Just nailed it. I used to be Nailed It 67. Then I changed my name. Something so I can get closer here to what I am on YouTube. YouTube is my main focus as far as my social media goes. So again, on Instagram, I am just nailed it. One word. Like I am here but separated, but you know what I mean. So check me out there, follow me there. I currently have a She Modern giveaway going on there until next week, Monday. I think on the 18th I'm going to draw. So get over there, get entered. It's for US and international for a $10 foil water decal gift card. So check that out, so which means I need to get this video up by, I don't know, maybe Monday. My docu-series is on Tuesday. So, yeah, please enjoy my mani. Have a blessed day. Thank you.